Let's go, making some fire vegan protein pancakes with the Built by Plants vanilla ice cream protein powder. Pulling out the recipe inside of the Pocket Coach. You can get that at builtbyplants.io. 1 cup of almond milk. I put the wrong number right there. 90 grams of flour. All right, and then we're also going to use a scoop of the Built by Plants vanilla ice cream protein powder, like I said. Then we're going to add a little bit of vanilla extract, some sea salt, just a little bit. Then about 10 grams of brown sugar if you want, some cinnamon, about 2 to 3 grams of that, some baking powder, that'll make it rise a little bit. Now don't mix it up, put it in a little blender cup if you got one and mix it like you see me doing. It's gonna make the consistency better. Add a little bit of that Earth Balance vegan butter, pour it right in the middle of it. Now when it comes to actually, making the pancakes, we wanna wait until it bubbles up a little bit in the middle of it, slide it on the butter so you can get those crispy edges. You want less calories than just use cooking spray, but I like the edges, crispy, so I'll use the butter. All right, so we're just gonna let that go for a little bit. You see I'm timing it to make sure that it comes out right. So I wait about 2 minutes on each side. Then you see how crispy that looks. That looks amazing. I'm just gonna rinse and repeat, do the same thing. Renda loves these, and she usually don't like recipes with protein powder, but she loves the Built by Plants protein powder. So y'all go ahead and grab that. All right, try this out. Let me know what y'all think. Share this with somebody that loves pancakes.